Most people get the plugin, set the key, set the scale, and they still can't get it to sound right. And that's because they don't understand AutoTune and what it actually does to your voice. You think you should set the key, scale, and hit 0, and your preset, your vocals gonna sound good. No, because it only works with what you record. So if your performance is lack of energy, lack of delivery, lack of emotion, that tune not gonna hit right. And if you have a hard time using your voice to hit those certain notes that make it glitchy in certain areas and clean in others, you're gonna have a problem. Because you can copy Tory Lanez, Travis Scott, Don Toliver, and the list goes on of artists' AutoTune settings, and you're still not gonna sound like them because AutoTune only works with your voice. I'm gonna keep coming back to that because you have to understand that. If you record lazy, monotone, no energy, no emotion, your preset is gonna sound lifeless. No matter if you get the perfect preset or the perfect engineer to mix it, they can't really put that life into it if you didn't record it. And the second reason why AutoTune don't work the same is because there's so many different options. Each AutoTune plugin serves a different purpose depending on what you want. If you want a cheap, affordable AutoTune where you can have a little bit more control, you can go with waves to real time because you can mess with the speed, you can mess with note transition, you can add vibrato. You can't really adjust your format, but you can correct the format. But if you want something more hard tuning, you have MetaTune because MetaTune goes past 0. That can give you a hard tune. This is very popular in the underground. And if you got the older AutoTunes, you're gonna have a different algorithm than these newer ones. And if you're a lyrical artist and you don't really need a lot of tune, you don't need all of the pro features that AutoTune Pro or artists would have. A lot of artists get caught up in what plugin's the best. The best plugin is gonna be what you need, not what everyone thinks is the best. And a lot of artists don't be chasing perfect AutoTune. They be wanting something unique, something that stands out, something that fits them. When it comes to different genres, AutoTune is going to be used completely different. Like if you want the most naturalist of AutoTune where you don't hear it like a Drake or other pop artists, you're going to need AutoTune Pro or like Melodyne because they manually move the notes around so you don't really notice the AutoTune. If you're mixing melodic trap music and it's AutoTune focused, of course you're gonna hear heavy glitchy tune. If you're listening to gospel, it might not be heavy tuning. AutoTune is not the cheat code no more. You can't shock and wow people by saying like, oh my God, AutoTune. Like everyone has been using AutoTune. People know what it is. Alright? AutoTune is damn near expected now. It's part of the industry standard change. So if you made it to this point of the video, comment your artist name and your favorite AutoTune plugin in the comment section below. But if your song's not sounding good and you're using AutoTune effects, it's not going to sound good with AutoTune XS. It's not going to sound good with AutoTune 2026. It's not going to sound good with AutoTune Pro. And it's not going to sound good with waves to in real time. Right? You got to understand everybody's voice is different. Everyone performs differently. Some artists lack that swag, that coolness when it comes to presenting and the delivery when it comes to AutoTune. And yo, EQ settings don't change because of the AutoTune. Your compression settings don't change because of the AutoTune. And that's what I mean by you got to understand what the AutoTune is actually doing. And I know people hate AutoTune a lot, but with AI music being around, people not understanding if people are real or not, AutoTune, the AI can't do AutoTune, bro. Like I tried to do AI prompts with AutoTune, it can't do it because the AutoTune is there to fix bad singing, people that aren't singing perfect pitch. The AutoTune don't know how to not do something perfect in that sense. But if you don't take nothing else for this video, I need you to understand the AutoTune only works with you. If you don't know how to use it or finesse the tune, nobody's gonna make it work for you.